If you are a coach, consultant, or a mentor, let me ask you a direct question. It's very straightforward. How many 27-pound video courses, Google Drive folders, or generic ebooks have you bought over the last 12 months that are currently sitting on your hard drive collecting digital dust? Just think over it. And you bought them hoping that you'll be getting a breakthrough. But within 10 minutes, you realize it is just a 90 pages of generic advice which has been written for everyone. And that means it is not going to do anything specific for you. If something is written for everyone, it is not going to help anyone. That's the philosophy and that's the actual state. Fair? My name is Alok Kumar, and over the last 16 years, I have built real businesses and mentored more than 15,000 coaches. Today, I want to show you why this generic advice is false, why these generic advices do not give any results and fails upfront without giving any concrete outcome, and how a custom operational blueprint changes everything for your practice, for your coaching businesses, right? So here is the reality of the coaching industry in 2026. Most coaches are stuck between 1500 to 3500 pounds a month, not because they lack passion, not because they are not capable, but because they have never audited their actual business mechanics. They do not know their exact avatar objections. They do not have a written positioning strategy. They guess their content pillars every morning when they get up, and they struggle to convert all those cold attention into consistent client discovery calls. And this is a fact that you cannot fix a custom business problem with a generic template. That is what most of the coaches are trying to do. So you need a real diagnostic that looks at your specific niche, your target pricing model, and your weekly time capacity. That is what is needed for you to grow today. And this is why we have built the personalized executive diagnostic system. Yes, I'm gonna show you right here on the screen what it does. It gives you a customized and personalized diagnostic and to-do list for the entire 90 days, which will enhance your understanding, and you'll be positioning yourself in a better way in your audience, and you'll be literally moving your business at a faster speed. So now I'm going to show you that exact system, the blueprint which we have created for few of the coaches. Let me show you that. So this is that particular blueprint which we are talking about. This has been made for Dr. Sunita Ladda. She is a gynecologist and a relationship coach for high achieving women, right? And see the names, the niche, the target avatar, the monthly target, everything has been mentioned here based on the input which she gave us. Now, this particular document has been divided into multiple modules where it talks about strategic positioning and diagnostic metrics. Then it talks about the bottleneck diagnosis, right? There is a note which talks about the executive strategy advisory and risk audit. It talks about the proprietary mechanism. She had a mechanism called HER, her framework. Then it talks about the category of one asset, the 15 story prompts. And there is a story card for each of the prompts where she can start creating her own story bank as well. Then you can see the story card 2, 3, 4, 5. All these things have been done through this particular diagnostic tool, right? Now, there is module 3 who talks about high converting messaging angles and boundaries, right? Then there is communication boundaries, which she has to follow. Then there is model number 4 talks about Grand Slam offer stack and lead magnets, right? Then again, there are lead magnet options, and there is a 5x5 content engine, which is 25 complete script hooks where she can immediately go and start creating multiple contents. Different pillars are already mentioned there, right? And module 6 is the 12-week execution roadmap. Every week, phase 1, week 1 to 4, and so on and so forth. Phase 2, week 5 to 8, right? 9 to 12, and so on and so forth. So this is a complete blueprint which we are talking about. So this is for Dr. Sunita Ladda, a gynecologist and a relationship coach for high achiever women. Now let's see another for Dr. Bhimrao Sonkamble. So he is a startup coach and a business mentor for Marathi mid-senior corporate professionals, right? And he has a very good hold on people who are getting into B2B businesses. This is this diagnostic for him, where we have talked about again the strategic advisory and risk audit, Then module 2 talks about the category of one story. Again, 15 complete cards. Every card giving a unique direction for his story banks and also. And you see, the next module again will talk about the core messaging angles and boundaries like what we did for the another coach. Module 4 is expanding the Grand Slam offer architecture and value stack, and so on and so forth. So this was number 2. Now let's go to another coach. Her name is Akansha. She is a pre and postnatal wellness coach for pregnant women, right? Now again, similarly, we have done this business diagnostic and immediate priorities. What are the revenue stages and what are the bottlenecks which she might be going through? And then again, the same thing, top 3 action priorities for the next 72 hours. So for her, what are the top priorities? We're not just gonna give something which is gonna be implemented after 1 week or 15 days. No, immediate 72 hours priority list. Again, category of one positioning, the 15 story prompt framework, the proprietary mechanism, the nurture method. We have mentioned what nurturing means for her. Again, the story prompts and so on and so forth. So see, all these 3, examples which we gave, this is just to show you that this particular blueprint is customized and personalized. Nothing like, people going and giving as a prompt or going and giving as a AI output. Fair? So this is what we have to tell you, that every single blueprint is unique, not because it's a system generated, because it has gone into depth of what you need. And it is because every coaching practices has different mechanics, and we are trying to figure out that mechanics behind the scene. Fair? Now, when you claim your personalized executive blueprint pass today, you will not receive a pre-written PDF. Remember, I told you it is not a generic AI output which you're gonna give. So you will be redirected immediately to our 27 question diagnostic tool. And I'm gonna show you that interface as well. When I say how we are gonna conclude and how we are gonna give you that customized and personalized blueprint, for that you have to give us some inputs. And that inputs you have to fill in one of the forms, which I'm gonna show you the interface. So the interface will ask you about these questions. So this is a 90 days executive revenue blueprint, right? Here I'm gonna ask you a few of the questions, right? And it will be showing you in this particular format: your name, your email address, your phone number. When you fill in this details, you'll have to continue to step 2. Again, it will ask you for further questions. So we'll be collecting the data from you so that we can have a detailed analysis, and then we'll be giving you the actual output. So it's not that you get the inputs filled and you get it immediately as an AI output. Remember, we are using AI output to research and give it a manual touch. We are personalizing it by manually feeding and correcting all the inputs which you have given, and the output has to be customized accordingly. So that's the beauty of this. So once you fill this, it will be taking something around 8 to 10 minutes to complete. You'll answer questions about your identity, your target avatar, your current revenue stage, your weekly time capacity. And once you submit all these answers, our engine, which is a custom compilation of all the data, it will create a 90-day executive revenue blueprint along with the 5 standalone strategic reports. But wait here. Wait for a moment. As I said, we are not going to give you those things immediately, because now here comes our coaching expertise. We manually check it, fine tune it for you exactly, and then deliver it directly in your email inbox within 24 to 48 hours. And that's why we need that particular time. Had it been just an AI output, we could have automated it and it could have immediately gone to your inbox, but we're not into that. What we are doing is we are taking help of AI but manually customizing it for you, and that's the beauty of using the power of AI and the human expertise. Fair? So we are neither in a haste to give you an AI output, nor we are just gonna give you an AI output, right? So what we are gonna do is combining both together, we are personalizing and customizing it for you, and hence we need this 24 to 48 hours for this particular thing, right? That's it. So now, if you want, just need to click the button, fill in all the details with religious inputs. Do not give the lazy inputs. Do the best which you can do about your business, because it will be asking about all the detailings. The most of them through which we can get the maximum inputs. And once you fill in religiously, submit it, we'll be happy to share the customized and personalized blueprint for you in 24 to 48 hours in your email inbox. And that's it. Looking forward to you clicking the button, filling in the details, and getting this customized blueprint, which will help you grow your business to the next level. Bye bye.